episode of Python Papi. We're back inside our smart contracts project. Let's have a look at what we're going to be going over today. And today we're going to be doing some light reading, so let's pick up where we left off from yesterday. So now that we have the price, we have to learn how to read it in our contract. What we want to do is reach out and interact with the external contract. We're always going to need two things. We're going to need the address and we're going to need the ABI, or the application binary interface. So how do we call a function in a different contract? Because the contract from the ETH USD address is the contract we want to read from. We can start by adding these two things into our internal function, which will end up looking like this. We have our internal function here. Then we have our get ETH to USD price. And this is where we add the ETH USD address. And this is where we're going to add the ABI. Right now, we're just going to put a pass because we're not going to actually fill it out. We're just actually getting the function ready. So the address is actually going to go here. It's going to be a parameter of the get ETH to USD price. So in this next section, we will go over what the ABI is and how we can implement it into our contract. And we can actually see the ABI, application binary interface, and the compilation details. The compilation details are generated after we compile our contract. We can see the ABI in the Remix IDE by clicking on the Compile tab and then clicking on the Details button. The ABI is made up of the functions that are in our contract, and it is used to interact with our contract. I'm going to leave it there for now because I don't want to get too far ahead, because tomorrow we're actually going to go inside our Remix IDE so I can show you exactly what that looks like. We're going to actually compile our code, our contract, so I can show you what the ABI looks like. But of course, I will keep you posted every step of the way. For now, this is the Python Papi. You guys stay Gucci.